मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान मत लो। डोंट ट्राई माई पेशेंस। डोंट ट्राई माई पेशेंस। रात खूब नींद आई। आई हैड अ साउंड स्लीप लास्ट नाइट। आई हैड अ साउंड स्लीप लास्ट नाइट। मुझे नींद आ रही है। आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी। आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी। मैं यही जानना चाहता था। दैट्स what I wanted to know. That's what I wanted to know. मैं ज़रा तैयार हो जाऊं। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. खाक अच्छा है ये। The hell it's good. The hell it's good. हम वक्त से पहले पहुंचेंगे। We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time. ये किसकी करतूत है? Whose act is this? Whose act is this? मजाक के अलावा ये सच है। Joking apart, it is true. Joking apart, it is true. तुम बिला वजह उदास हो जाते हो। You become sad for no reason. You become sad for no reason. आओ सीधी तरह बात करते हैं। Let's talk turkey. Let's talk turkey. समझ गया। Got it. Got it. इसे मेरी नज़रों से दूर ले जाओ। Get him out of my eyes. Get him out of my eyes. ये सड़क किधर जाती है? Where does this road lead to? तुम किसी काम के नहीं। You are of no use. You are of no use. मैंने अपना मकान बदल दिया। I have shifted from my old place. I have shifted from my old place. मैं इसकी बातों में आ गया। I was misled by him. I was misled by him. मुझे बाल कटवाने हैं। I have to get a haircut. I have to get a haircut. मैं तुम्हें ताना नहीं मार रहा। I'm not taunting you. I'm not taunting you. इतना बताओ जितना पूछा है। You just tell me what I asked. You just tell me what I asked. वो कोई और नहीं तुम ही थे। He was none other than you. He was none other than you. ऐसे हालात में तुम कहाँ जाओगे? In this situation, where will you go? In this situation, where will you go? मैं तुम्हें कैसे भूल सकता हूँ? How could I forget you? How could I forget you? मैं तुम्हारी बुरी हरकतों से खूब वाकिफ हूँ। I am well aware of your misdoings. I am well aware of your misdoings. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। Those who keep on trying never lose. Those who keep on trying never lose. आंख मत मारो। Do not wink. चालाक मत बनो। Don't be smart. तुम डरपोक हो। You are a coward. You are a coward. मेरा काम बस तुम्हें बताना था। My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. यार मेरा काम तो बन गया है। Buddy, I have gained my object. Buddy, I have gained my object. जिंदगी मौत की मानत है। Life is entrusted to death. Life is entrusted to death. मैं किसी पर कोई बोझ नहीं हूँ। I am not a burden to anyone. I am not a burden to anyone. हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा। We will have to do something or other. We will have to do something or other. ये दुकान किराए के लिए खाली है। This shop is vacant to let. This shop is vacant to let. तुम मुझ पर क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? इस लड़के ने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। That boy did it for you. That boy did it for you. वो बस से उतर रहा है. He is getting off the bus. He is getting off the bus. अम्मी कुछ देर से घर पर है. Mom is at home for a while. Mom is at home for a while. मैंने ये आपसे सुना. I heard it from you. I heard it from you. मैंने ये किताब से लिखा है. I wrote it from the book. I wrote it from the book. बंदर पेड़ से कूदा. Monkey jumped off the tree. Monkey jumped off the tree. मैं ये नहीं मानता. I don't believe. I don't believe. मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. I'm dead tired. I'm dead tired. दूध फट गया है. Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour. आज सुबह मैं देर से बीदार हुआ. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. इसने गुस्ताखाना सलूक किया. He behaved very rudely. He behaved very rudely. आज रात यहीं आराम करो. Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. आओ गप लगाएं. Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. हम बहुत देर तक बातें करते रहे. We kept talking till very late. We kept talking till very late. ये बिल्कुल फजूल बात है. That is an utter nonsense. That is an utter nonsense. मेरी बीवी सोते वक्त खराटे लेती है. My wife snores during sleep. My wife snores during sleep. मैं लंडा बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the flea market. I am going to the flea market. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मेरे बाल मत खींचो. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. सब ठीक तो है ना? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? तुम क्या करने वाले हो? What are you up to? What are you up to? अपने काम की तरफ ध्यान दो. Attend your work. Attend your work. अक्ल की बात करो. Talk sense. Talk sense. आप मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे. You are not following me. You are not following me. एक दिन छोड़कर आया करो. Come on alternate days. Come on alternate days. यहाँ किस चीज़ की कमी है? What is lacking here? What is lacking here? छोटी छोटी बातों पर मत झगड़ो. Don't quarrel over trifles. Don't quarrel over trifles. बड़े ही मुफ्तखोर हो. Such a moocher you are. Such a moocher you are. गुदगुदी करना बंद करो. Stop tickling me. Stop tickling me. इसकी सेहत खराब है. She is not in good health. She is not in good health. कोई बात नहीं. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. ये फ़ोन तुमने कितने में ख़रीदा? What did this phone cost you? What did this phone cost you? मैं अब ज़्यादा देर इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मेरी आँख क्यों फड़कती है? Why does my eye twinge? Why does my eye twinge? वो तो अपनी नाक पर मक्खी नहीं बैठने देती। She doesn't allow a fly to sit on her nose. She doesn't allow a fly to sit on her nose. इतनी समझ तो मुझे है। I have this much sense. I have this much sense. मैं यहाँ तुमसे अपनी बेइज्जती करवाने नहीं आया। I am not here to get insulted by you. I am not here to get insulted by you. सालन जल गया। Curry got burnt. Curry got burnt. इसमें क्या मसला है? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? तारीफ करते इसका मुंह नहीं थकता। He gives immense praise. He gives immense praise. तुम ये बात प्यार से भी तो कह सकते थे। You could have said it to me politely. You could have said it to me politely. जूते उतार दो। Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. शर्ट पहन लो। Wear the shirt. Wear the shirt. बकबक मत करो। Don't prattle. Don't prattle. खाना लगा दो। Serve the food. Serve the food. दबे पाँव आओ। Walk on the tiptoe. Walk on the tiptoe. वो दबे पाँव कमरे में घुसा। He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. मेरे कोट को पहन कर देखो। Try my coat on. Try my coat on. जाकर सो जाओ। Go and sleep. Go and sleep. मुझे नहाने दो। Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. बारिश हो रही है। It's raining. It's raining. इशारा मत करो। Do not gesture. Do not gesture. रोटियां बेल लो। Roll the chapati. Roll the chapatis. रोटी कैसे बनाएं? How to roll the chapati. How to roll the chapati. इसे वक्त लेने दो। Let him take time. Let him take time. मैं इसके साथ जा रहा हूँ। I'm going with him. I'm going with him. बिजली चली गई है। The power is went out. The power is went out. इसने अच्छे से तस्वीर नहीं ली। He didn't photograph well. He didn't photograph well. मुझे हाथ मिलाना पड़ा। I had to shake hand. I had to shake hand. आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in so hurry? Why are you in so hurry? आप यहाँ क्यों हैं? Why are you here? Why are you here? मेरे कान में दर्द है। I have earache. I have earache. कपड़े निचोड़ दो। Wring the clothes. Wring the clothes. शोर ने हमारे नाक में दम कर रखा है। Noise is getting on our nerves. Noise is getting on our nerves. इसने भी यही कहा। That's what he said. That's what he said. मुकाबला सख्त था। It was close contest. It was close contest. वो मेरा जानी दुश्मन है। He is my sworn enemy. He is my sworn enemy. मैं ये इसके मुंह पर कहूँगा। I shall say this to his face. I shall say this to his face. मैं आपकी ही राह देख रहा था। I was expecting you. I was expecting you. कर काम ले दाम। No miles, no meals. No miles, no meals. इसने बना बनाया काम बिगाड़ दिया। He spoiled the whole game. He spoiled the whole game. ताना मारने की जरूरत नहीं। No need to taunt. No need to taunt. वो बहुत शक्की है। She is so spectacle. She is so spectacle. ये रास्ता सुनसान है। It is a deserted road. It is a deserted road. वो बहुत लाडली है। She is very pampered. She is very pampered. जैसे आपकी मर्जी। As you please. As you please. इसका गला सूजा हुआ है। His throat is swollen. His throat is swollen. आपका बड़ा एहसान होगा। It will be a great favor. It will be a great favor. तुम्हें मेरे साथ काम करना होगा। You have got to work with me. You have got to work with me. मेरे मोबाइल का क्या बना? What became of my mobile? What became of my mobile? मुझे मामूली अंदाज़ा तक नहीं था। I hadn't the foggiest notion. I hadn't the foggiest notion. अंगूठी नहीं उतर रही। The ring isn't coming off. The ring isn't coming off. वो तेज तेज चलती है। She walks briskly. She walks briskly. ये कितने का है? How much is it? How much is it? मैं 2 ज़ुबानें बोलता हूँ। I am bilingual. I am bilingual. वो कहाँ था? Where had he been? Where had he been? किसी को नहीं पता। Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows. मुझे ये ढूंढना पड़ेगा। I will have to look for it. I will have to look for it. इसमें क्या मसला है? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? आपको यहाँ देखकर खुशी हुई। I'm glad to see you here. I'm glad to see you here. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। That shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. बात तुम्हें करना होगी। You have to do the talking. You have to do the talking. मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है। I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया। I have never done it before. I have never done it before. नहीं अभी नहीं। No, not yet. No, not yet. तुम्हारी नाक बह रही है। Your nose is running. Your nose is running. चलो आधा आधा करते हैं। Let's go 50-50. Let's go 50-50. ऐसी किस्मत कहाँ? No such luck. No such luck. तुम बिल्कुल सही वक्त पर आए थे। You were right on time. You were right on time. ये बड़ी खौफनाक बात है। This is a dreadful thing. This is a dreadful thing. ये भी ठीक है। Fair enough. Fair enough. मैं सीधा यहाँ आ गया। I came straight here. I came straight here. ये हमारी तमाम ज़रूरियात पूरी करता है। It meets all our requirements. It meets all our requirements. देखो यहाँ बिस्तर लगा दो। Look, make bed over here. Look, make bed over here. हर जगह ऐसा ही है। It is same all over. It is same all over. मुझे तुमसे बहुत सी बातें करनी है। I have so much to talk to you. I have so much to talk to you. तुम्हें खुद को संभालना चाहिए. You must compose yourself. You must compose yourself. जरा अपना हाल तो देखो. Just have a look on your state. Just have a look on your state. क्या बक रहे हो? What are you blabbering? What are you blabbering? मैं अपनी मर्जी का मालिक हूँ. I am my own man. I am my own man. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? वो ऐन मौके पर आया. He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. बहुत तंग किया है तुमने मुझे. You have harassed me a lot. You have harassed me a lot. तुम ऐसा कहने वाले होते कौन हो? Who are you to say that? Who are you to say that? ऐसी बात नहीं है. It's not like that. It's not like that. बस तुम्हें अपना काम करवाना आता है. You just know how to get your work done. You just know how to get your work done. ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है? Why such a hurry? Why such a hurry? खुदा करे तुम्हारे सब ख्वाब पूरे हों. May all your dreams come true. May all your dreams come true. इसको मुझसे बड़ी हमदर्दी है. He had great sympathy for me. He had great sympathy for me. तुम मेरी बराबरी नहीं कर सकते. You cannot be equal to me. You cannot be equal to me. तुम्हें एहसास नहीं मैं तुमसे कितना प्यार करता हूँ. You don't realize how much I love you. You don't realize how much I love you. मैं इतनी दूर नहीं जाऊँगा. I would not go that far. I would not go that far. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think like that. Don't even think like that. वो मुझसे क्यों जलती है? Why is she jealous of me? Why is she jealous of me? जल्दी ही क्या है? What's the rush? What's the rush?